So the site at Rouse proximity consists of 375 units over 6 towers, commercial on ground floor, and about 10,000 square metre basements, 3 levels. So at the moment, the towers are still going with structure. Tower 1 and 2 are both on level 1, doing transfer decks there. Generally with concrete pours, we're pouring pretty much every second day at the moment. The slabs range from about 200 cube to 300 cube each one. So at the moment, stripping of the formwork materials is coming out for the lower levels, and fit out will start in probably the next couple of weeks. So the program schedule for the next few months, get into fit out, which will obviously be starting in the next couple of weeks. Pod deliveries will be starting at the end of the month, and they'll be pushing through fit out from there. Pretty close to program, moving forward with it pretty good. Very short walks to both Rouse Town Centre. It's got your supermarkets, all your general stores in there, metro train stations within 500 metres, and a nice little cafe next door. Good little community and accessible to everywhere.